Hi, so here is a PC that all of a sudden the owner said that it just started showing this. Do not log in. It was okay. It says your password has expired and must be changed. All right. So password, new password, confirm password. But this suddenly appeared. Okay. So in this, I'm going to show you how you can remove passwords, regardless of if you know the password or you don't know the password. You set the password, don't set the password. How can you remove password on a PC? So I'm going to show it to you. So to do that, you need a software that is Sergei Strelec. And to know about that software, you can check my repair masterclass that is under storage devices and OS. Yeah, that troubleshooting, blah, blah, blah. You'll be able to find it there. So now what I'm going to do is to shut down this PC because now I could not remember this. Okay, if let me just type anyhow this thing, this and this. There's no way. Create a password, reset this, blah blah blah. All right, so I'm going to shut this down and let's see what will happen. So I'm going to go through Sergei Strelec. Then, so I have my Sergei Strelec here. All right. So on this HP, I'm going to tap on F9. All right, system fan cooling fan is not operating correctly. Yes, 90B. You know that. All right. No, 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 no. I'm not telling you to boot. You're not booting. Turn off. All right. Power button again. F9. Yes, F9 is up. All right. So my external USB. Good. All right. Sergei Strelec is up. All right. Good. So Sergei Strelec is ready. So next is to launch this. I need to go to the password section. Where you good? Resetting passwords. Let me see if we can zoom in. All right, you see right here, this is reset passwords. So first, let me use this. Okay, let me use this active password changer. Yeah, active password changer. Okay, come to focus. Then next, okay, search all volumes, SAPs, level volume with operating manually. So let me select manually. All right, next, and okay, so this one is should be the one of interest, right? This is local DC. Yeah, yeah, this should be of interest. This. So second one is you have to choose which one has the OS. Okay, and here it is. This is 238 gigabytes, and this is C. OS is always drive C. Yeah, OS is always drive C, and this is it here. Yep. But this USB Strelec, that is for the external flash, the flash that I plug in. This one is, yeah, other partition on the hard drive, but this C is of interest. So next, okay, next. All right. So, okay. Now, it says total users, 5 users. So we need to choose I need to choose the user that has the username was X, Abby. Is it X? Good. No, username is X, right? X right here. Okay, then next. So I will not press description. I will just apply. You look at this, clear this user's password. It's already checked. Okay, then apply. Are you sure you want to change your current? Yes. Now you see that attribute has been successfully what? Changed. Now finish. Let's try to reset this PC. Restart, I mean, and see what happens next. Switch reset, restart. Let's say all things being equal, you should be able to boot in easily now. What are you saying? Agree with my friend, I know. Cooling fan is bad. You have to quickly replace your cooling fan, no? Otherwise you're going to burn your CPU. Yeah, so user is X. You should be able to log in straight with with no hassle. Bingo. And this is how to remove password on your PC. Easy peasy. So if you want to get Sergei Strelec, just look through my videos. That is about how to repair masterclass. Yeah. Yes, under I think it should be under the storage devices and OS, and I think storage devices and OS of different section. But there's a part that has to do with how you can create diagnostic tools. Yeah, exactly. So I mentioned Sergei Strelec there, how you can download it, then create bootable, use it to create a bootable. Then after you've done that, Sergei Strelec is extremely useful too. Virtually can do anything on it. Virtually everything can be done on the Strelec. So as you can see, the password has been removed. Easy peasy.